This is DeWayn Marzagalli. I've been teaching at OLLI since 2011, and I'd like to introduce you to my very last workshop on those cliffhanger serials we used to love to go to at Saturday matinee serials. My last group of serials is devoted to military heroes that were displayed in the Cliffhanger serials. Don Winslow of the Navy. Don Winslow again, this time in the Coast Guard. The Fighting Devil Dogs. The Fighting Marines. And last but not least, from the early days of World War II, military comics introduced us to Blackhawk, champion freedom fighter. And I think they may still be in the comics even today. Why don't you join me for my very last group of serials? This is part 10 of a part 10 workshop, and I would love to see all of you there. Thank you.
We here at OLLI are very excited to offer our Spring 2022 session with a mix of in-person and remote courses and workshops. Registration for spring opens the morning of February 9th at midnight. If you have any questions about this class or want help with registration, please give us a call at 207-780-4406 or email us at olliatusm@maine.edu. We hope to see you this spring.